When was the last time you got excited about a home theater experience? And not about the movie or game, but about the sound. Introducing Sparko, the world's first 720 degrees levitating home theater system that can understand what you say. Just say Spotify or the name of a radio station. Sparko will change channels and play high-resolution audio. You can say DJ. Sparko will play the tunes you like. It gets smarter the more you listen. A revolutionary 720-degree acoustic field is created when 4 non-electrostatic diaphragm drivers face outward, reducing audio distortion and doubling the richness, distance, and detail of your audio. The levitating tweeter speaker, unimpeded by surface friction, faces upward, providing crystal clear, high-pitched audio. A full-range woofer faces downward, perfectly balancing the tweeter, plus a separate subwoofer, providing the sort of bass you feel in your bones.
Hi, I'm Alan. I'm the founder of Asui. In 2014, we invented the first levitating speaker using magnetic repulsion to lift the speaker up in the air. Because of zero friction, helping to bring out the speaker's best performance. We spent the past 2 years developing our own electrostatic diaphragm drivers. Traditional dynamic drivers need to have a chamber to create resonance. Electrostatic diaphragm drivers is very thin and don't need a chamber, which can only be found in the most expensive and best headphones ever built, and rarely in compact speakers. With our own patent technology, Sparko can give you the best detail in sound. You feel like you are actually inside the scene. Now you don't need to spend a fortune. Sparko gives you the best sound quality in the most compact design and also the most advanced technology.
You can say TV or say mute to enjoy dinner. Sparko supports multi-room technology and it's also a smart lighting system. Just say light. Sparko creates the perfect light and sound environment for every moment. Sparko creates a meshed network of Wi-Fi extenders. You will never lose Wi-Fi again anywhere around your house. Sparko is also a communication channel. Simply say a name to talk to friends live anywhere around the world. Say pick up to answer any calls. Say professor to conduct a global classroom. Say help to call out to all your contacts in an emergency. Say company to conduct a teleconference. Sparko connects people around the world in real time. All you have to do is just say Sparko.
Time spent enjoying the great outdoors is more than just fun. For many of us, it's an essential part of life. Want some music? Try SolarBox, the tough and portable solar-powered outdoor speaker. Simply pair SolarBox with your device via Bluetooth and let the music flow. Put SolarBox under the sun for 10 minutes and it can play music for 30 minutes continuously. Wherever there's sun, you've got an instant party. Also, SolarBox is the most light and portable solar-powered speaker in the world. With a carabiner and a Velcro strap, you can attach the SolarBox to a backpack, a tent, a tree, a bicycle, or wherever you like. The SolarBox is also rated as IPX6 waterproof, which means that SolarBox can resist powerful water jets, heavy splashing, and rain. It is ideal to take camping, to the river, or the pool. Want to pick up phone calls when your hands are not available? Just simply press a button, and you can enjoy the built-in CVC noise-canceling microphone for hands-free calls. Want to use SolarBox on the beach? No problem. With the high dust-proof level, it will never get dirt in. The solar panel can generate and store massive amounts of power. When fully charged, it can play your tunes for more than 30 hours without the sunshine. Efficient and eco-friendly. Oh, by the way, SolarBox even has an LED light on it. The high-fidelity, detailed sound, extra-accurate sound location, and consistent high-quality sound will make this the most epic listening experience you will ever have. And it's shockproof. Immerse yourself in music and in nature. SolarBox, your tough and portable solar-powered outdoor speaker.
Low-Free QTV speaker, a retro TV-inspired speaker with modern functionalities. It has 2 customizable alarms. Personalize it to anything you want. With QTV speaker, start your morning off on the right foot with your favorite songs. With its variety of vibrant colors and vintage TV look, it can spice up any space. Use the QTV to set up a timer. With its built-in timer, keep track of everything that's important. The QTV is only about the size of your palm, so you can take it with you everywhere. Even though it's small, its embedded 40mm full frequency and backward speaker will make you feel like you're surrounded by the music. There's even a little hidden surprise. Just press the antenna and see what we have in store for you.
Which speaks for itself. Good double crosser.
It's a speaker, alarm, and timer. The Low-Free QTV's unique design and modern amenities is what makes it one of a kind.
Why do all portable speakers look the same? Meet Low-Free's Poison speaker. We like to blend modern technology with retro classic aesthetics. And the Poison speaker combines the newest and best digital audio tech with a 1950s retro vibe. Designed with acoustics in mind, the Poison speaker produces out mids and trebles from the front, while an ultra-large diaphragm in the back of the device pumps out powerful, deep, full-bodied bass. Our meticulously designed housing structure ensures a long-lasting and stable bass performance. With 2 pieces of 10-watt amplifiers handling audio output that sounds more vast than other speakers of similar size. The Poison is also tiny and robust. With a 2000 milliamp battery, the speaker can play up to 6 hours of CD-quality music wirelessly. You can even connect the old-school way by a physical rotating dial for radio channel scanning. The Poison will bring back nostalgic memories of the good old days of radio channel surfing. Support us today!